Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a website for an acupuncture business or an acupuncture clinic, quick and easy using Mighty Sites. If you're not familiar with Mighty Sites, it's only $9 a month. It's a simple and easy way to create a local business website. So the first thing you do, you start your free trial, again, only $9 a month, and then you just find the template that you're looking for. So for this, I'm going to find an acupuncture clinic template. So I just click on that, and then I can put in my name. So I just say, let's just call this Keegan's acupuncture for short, and then you put in where you're located. So for me, that's Denver, Colorado. Type of business, we can call this either service or other. Probably just go with service for now. And then I click continue. And the beauty of Mighty Sites is that just like that, it's going to automatically pull images, descriptions, write things for me, so that all I have to do is go in here and make edits. But you can see that just by typing in what type of business I had, this automatically generated a simple professional website for my acupuncture clinic. And now it's just up to me, whatever edits I want to make. So you can see the first thing I may want to do up at the top is just go in and maybe I want to add my email address so people can easily reach me. So I just type it in. Again, this is a really easy website builder, and it doesn't require you to move anything around or deal with any difficult website builder or call a web developer. You just type in your information, you point and click, and it'll show up there in just a very professional format. If you want to put the address of your clinic too, you can do that as well. So I'll just put, make up a street here and put in a zip code. So I'll just save that. And now if somebody clicks on my address, it'll actually open in Google Maps too, which is really nice. You can add your social media. So if you have like a Facebook page for your acupuncture clinic, you can add that. I'll just put in the Mighty Sites one. You can add an Instagram too if you have that for your clinic. So just put in my Instagram. And so then you can see there that, my social media links, the icons are there. I'll just save that and close. And so now, the website is coming along pretty easy. You can see how easy this website builder is to edit if you're making an acupuncture website. If you want to change the colors, so maybe like blue is your theme or red, or you want like a yellow, orange, or a different color, you just simply click through the different themes here and you select the one that you feel like makes the most sense for your business. So you're not locked into any color. You can also change these colors at any time, but it's a really nice, easy way to just kind of click through and find the look that you're going for and the look that makes sense for your business. So I'll just select this one for now, but you can see it's really easy to click through and select that. So next thing, you may want to add more menu items here. So you can just go over here to the menu text, and I'll just call this navigation. You select a navigation item, you can choose where it links, so it can be to a different website, to a different place on your website. So I'll just link to like the about section. You can link to an action item like call or directions or click to email, or you can even upload a PDF. But for now, I'll just link to the about section, click confirm, save that, close. Now you can see as soon as I do that, go back. So navigation, forgot to add it to my menu. So add navigation, and then let's go to link that to the about section, confirm. Now I just click this add to menu item. See, now it's added to my menu, click save, and then you'll see the navigation button gets added here. So that's how you can add any nav items that you want. It's also really easy to update or upload a logo. So if you have a logo for your acupuncture clinic, you just simply search for it on your computer, and then you can just upload it as you would with many other systems, just uploading something from your computer. So I'm just going to grab a Mighty Sites logo because that's easier. But whatever logo you have, or you can just leave this, as written as your name too, whatever's easiest for you. So you can see as soon as I upload it, there it is. I can click on make it bigger or make it smaller. I can click on this little pencil and it opens up all these cropping and editing tools for images and logos. So I can use any of these to edit and style my image. I'm just going to crop this down a little bit right here. That'll just, kind of make it a little bigger here, get rid of some of the space around it, the image. So I just resave that. And now my image is a little bigger. So I think that looks pretty good. I can easily edit any of this hero text too. So like it, licensed acupuncturist, that's pretty good. I don't want to change that too much, but offering a variety of alternatives. So I'll just show you, this is a change, right? So if you want to add or delete anything here, it's really easy to do that too. And then you can even add some additional text underneath as well. You can do schedule an appointment, or maybe you want to do something and you can link. So if you want, if you have like an online booking or scheduling, you can link out to that. So if you use like a free tool like Calendly or something like that, you can just paste that link in here and let people book with you. So let me show you Calendly. So this is like a free, you can get a free version of this and people can find times that you have available on your calendar and just book with you. So if you use something like that, you could do schedule an appointment, confirm, and then if people click on that, it'll open right up in your calendar, which is a nice way to just kind of get online bookings. And again, Calendly has a free version. If you'd prefer, you can, you don't have to do that either. You can just kind of like schedule an appointment. You can have that link to a phone call, so you can just have people call you when they link, or you can have them email you and it'll open up an email too. So whatever solution you want best there for getting people. And you can also call that button like request an appointment, anything like that too. So I'm going to go to update section, and it's really easy to add and edit text. You see, it's just point click. So this is how you create a website for a acupuncture clinic, right? So I can just type in exactly what I want it to say there. It's really simple and easy. And then I can make this bold if I want, or I could make it italicized. It's just really up to you how you want that to look. So I'm just going to save that and close it. I can update this contact button too. So maybe I want that when somebody clicks on it. Maybe I want it to just call me. So I'll make that a click to call and save. And there we go. Now, if somebody clicks on that, it'll automatically call my business. And a lot of people are going to be on mobile, so they may want to do that too. But you can edit any of this pre-written text, and you can edit any of these images too. Get directions link is here, but again, you can edit those buttons as you see fit. And you can delete the buttons too if you don't want them there. Now, one other thing I'll show you, if I want to update any images too, so let's just say I don't like this image, or I just want a different one, I can go here to update. I can select update image, and I can browse and select an image from my computer, or I could search this inbuilt library too. So you can see acupuncture clinic is searched here. Let's just say I'd prefer to have I can get rid of acupuncture, and you can search whatever you want here. So if it's massage or whatever is appropriate for you. But let's just say that I'd prefer to have this image. I just select that image, and you can see now that just replaced this one here. So then I can just save that and close. I guess that's the same image here, so you might want to use a different one. But just to demonstrate the point, you basically can easily just change images either by uploading them from your computer, ones that you found and liked, or you can access this whole library of pre-licensed images that you can just use to replace any of these sections of the website too, which just makes it really easy to build a website. So you can see pretty much just like that, I'm now close to done with my website, and I've got this online business card that I can use to market my business, help attract customers. Again, it's only $9 a month, so it's super affordable. If I go to stop editing, I can access my site dashboard, which is where I can connect a custom domain. So if I want, like if I have a Google domain or GoDaddy, I just paste that in here. And then I do need to make some updates in GoDaddy or Google domains just to make sure the connection happens. Like you have to go into your registrar and point your domain basically to your new website. But once that process is done, it'll all connect and you'll get a secure website certificate. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you create a website for an acupuncture clinic. It's really simple and easy to do, and it gives you a nice, professional, clean, simple looking website. When I click on stop editing, you can see that it gets rid of those update section buttons. So now there's a link below this video. Just you can click on that to access your free trial, launch the acupuncture website template for your business, see how it goes. And again, it's only $9 a month. So wish you the best of luck.